Maybe number one. Number two. Hey guys, so if we haven't figured it out yet, what we've got going on today is we're going to do a little photo shoot. I've got some of the mini bikes out. I got some new speed lights in for flash photography. We're going to give them a try, see what we can do with these mini bikes today. Let's get this going. Well, there we go, guys. I'm pretty excited about having this flash photography stuff going on now. Be able to take really nice photos of the stuff that I'm working on, show you guys, share with all your friends and family. I'm super excited about it. So, thanks for checking it out. Leave a comment down below. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for all my future content. We'll catch you guys later.